my name is Ivana from Kalithea, and today I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful choker. The dimensions of leather required to make this choker in sizes 11 to 14 inches are shown on the screen. After cutting out the pieces, you need to finish the edges so the leather isn't sharp, trim off the excess, apply edge paint and burnish well. When you hear the clicking sound, it's enough. Repeat the process with a thicker piece of leather. For the next step, you will need 1 roller buckle, 10 spikes, 6 rivets, 1 D-ring and 2 connectors. The longer the choker, the more spikes you'll need to help it hold the proper choker shape. I don't really measure this part, I always do it approximately, but as a rough guide, the spacing between the 2 rivets is about 0.79 inches. Attach small pieces to the larger one, then mark the length that works best for you. Open the small connectors, remove the D-ring and attach them to the O-ring so you can connect everything to the leather part. Now mark the positions for the spikes and punch the holes. Mark the spots where you'll punch holes for the eyelets. They need to be evenly spaced because of the chain you'll attach later. When you put in the screw for the spike, be sure to apply a tiny bit of super glue to prevent the spike from falling out later. Tighten the screws and repeat the process on the other side. In the final step, you'll need a chain approximately 4 inches or 10 centimeters long, plus a pendant which will attach to the ring. That is it. This beautiful leather choker, which I call the Evil Kitty, is done. Let me know if you like this video so I can make more.